What's going on, guys? I just got off work. It's New Year's Eve. I'm gonna go and grab my shark rods right here. We're gonna head to the beach, see if we can get on some sharks tonight, alright? B-roll's gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Big run, guys, big run.
Come on. Hey, get my belt. We must be tangled.
How we doing, Jack?
Good. Make sure that camera's good. Homie?
Huh?
Is that camera good?
Yep, you're nice and square.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, he's a real one.
All right, bro. Hey, you're tangled.
Am I? We all got enough double up.
Is that a double hook, Greg?
No, it's a single. Is it a big one?
What do you think, man?
Guys, we're doubled up right now. This is insane. Hey, let me see that light right here, though.
Yep.
Get him, Dave. Use the eye rod. Yes. That's a good one, isn't it, boy?
Oh, yes, son.
How you doing, James?
I'm doing.
You're almost in that damn sand.
Eye rod's big. He pulled about 3 or 4 times now. He's on.
Sir.
Hey, he's pulling.
Huh? Woo, hey, get that, get that, get that.
Oh, shit.
You good? Do you need help?
No, he's good.
Alright. I can't get the top of the rod in this darkness. You're gonna have to live with the bottom of it.
Yeah, you might want to start walking apart from each other now. All right, so what are we gonna do about the waiter? Huh? I don't know how your rod's set up, but I'm not too terribly far. I'm probably on the sandbar, to be honest with you.
How far are you out, Dad? You got I feel it. They're getting close to being crossed. He's pulling. Carry, start brushing these lines. Let's start the cross. Pay attention, brother. Come on.
Okay, let me know if you need help.
Take the camera down there.
Huh?
Take the camera down there.
Yep.
We're starting to get tangled again.
Are you coming towards me?
Coming think you gotta go under. Gotta be under, Jack. Under? Come on, come my way.
You might have a hammer on, dude.
Hey, you got the leader, Jack. All right.
You need help pulling it in?
What we got? Big sandbar. There we go. We got the hook. All right, I'm gonna get the tag. All right, yeah, I'll hold him. Hey, can you grab my gloves out of that bag?
Don't lose that foot now, Kerry.
Who needs feet anyway?
That's my favorite foot.
Where's the tag at? I'm moving it. It's next to the rod holder there. Right there. See it? With the real
Oh, she's a pretty one.
Alright. First things off, I'm gonna tag them. I'll get the hook out. Oh, let me tag them first. Alright, yep. Tag. You alright? Yep. Alright, let's get a measurement.
Right here.
There's the nose. Alright, 4, 5 foot, total, 5'8". Alright, together. Alright, it's a male. Male! Alright, release it, good. Let's see. Woo. He's good. He's good.
I don't blame you. I would be too. I would be too. Alright guys, I thought we were on one. It's 1:14 in the morning. Let's see if we can get them in. We got guys shooting fireworks right over here too. Where? Yikes. No, this is some shit. I'm gonna pull some sick photos from this.
Are you?
Probably.
Good, good. With all the fireworks in the background?
Yeah. Katie looks like a Sith Lord right there, bro. Alright, I'm gonna try some photos.
What's up?
This better be a sick photo. Hell yeah. Get him, son. Close. Almost like getting waiting on.
Alright. Alright, okay.
Stop.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again. These small ones.
Are you on?
Yeah. I need 4 for total.
I need light. 4 foot, 6 to the fork, 5 foot to the tip.
Yeah.
Maybe all by the fall off.
Isn't in there.
It should be by the holder. Maybe they'll tire. Tag. Grab the bolt cutters. They're right by the bar. That way you can pull it out. That's the cutter, man. Look out.
There you go.
It's a male. Alright guys, we're hooked up. Carrie finally got him one. 3:45 in the morning. We're all sleeping. Welcome to Drag Screaming. Probably the best alarm clock you can ever get. Besides something else, if you know what I mean.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what you mean.
What does it feel like, man?
Heavy.
Look at that stance. He squats. His new nickname, Indian nickname, is called Squatting Dog.
Oh, I was gonna call him the squatter.
Squatting Dog. The sandbar. Are you getting in the waders? Water. I'm scared. Somebody got a light. Is it a sandbar?
Yes. I think so. You got the pointed nose like a sandbar.
Oh god, I'm not getting my shoes on, bro. I'm cold.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Yep.
All the way. 6'2", 4'2", 5'2".
Got the tag?
Oh yeah, James, here. What was it?
6'2", 5'2".
Tags in.
Throw it.
Wrench, pliers.
Water. Ah, my feet. It's so fun. You got it hooked up? Awesome.
Easy, buddy. Alright, there you go.
He's good. He's gone. Bye-bye. How's it feel, sir?
Good.
How's it feel, sir?
Good.
Very good.
I feel so accomplished.
Good job, guys.